Yeah, for education, for example. I mean, I have a message for Ghanaians. The message is a message of hope. Yeah, for education, for example. Time more university, 1988, co-university 82. And a foreign student, there were 3 universities in Ghana. Legon, Tech, friend KU and still so
Tech.
Tech, University of Science and Technology. And a KBAS, Cape Coast University. Winneba, it was Advanced Teacher Training College. It wasn't the university. Now, that time, foreign students were investing. Oh, yeah, one of Benin, Togo, and Burkina. They come in a bus to learn French. Now, down the line, we have over 60 universities in Ghana. If your universities were Ghana, CCR, if your foreign students were universities, if your Sika was the Ghana can develop into a hub for education. In the UK, they make £28 billion a year from international students. And more universities, there are no international students. CCR Brunei is full of international students. My for Nigeria, from school. Chief, there are so many sectors that we can expand in Ghana.
Okay.
And when I come the next time, we'll talk about the future.